How to open Telegram without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can open or create a new Telegram account without phone number. Now if you are not willing, or if you don't have phone number that you can use to create a Telegram account, or you want to create new one without using your own phone number, then there are a couple of ways that you can try it out. Now first and foremost things is, if you open up Telegram here, you should get an interface like this where it'll ask you to tap on start messaging. Once you tap on it here, you'll have to enter in your country and your phone number. Now what you want to do is, in order to open it without phone number, you want to head into your Google Chrome. Now I'll just head quickly into Google here, and on Google Chrome or any other browser, what you want to do is you want to search in for SMS number for free, as I've done so on the screen. And here you can see various links popping up. You can open up any of these links, and here you'll get free numbers that you can use. Now there are some of the services that you'll need to pay to get some numbers, but if you go ahead to some websites here, if you search on, then you'll be able to get the temporary numbers that you can use to get SMS and log in to various. Here you can see there is a couple of numbers. Now what you want to do is you want to select one of the numbers and you want to copy it. Now I'll just open it up, and once you open it up, cross this ad, and then you want to copy this number here. You want to simply tap on it and you can copy it, and you can head back here and head back to Telegram. And once on Telegram, you want to choose the country. Since you choose USA, what you can do is, from the search bar you can search in for US, and you can select it and paste the number here. And once you do so, simply tap on the arrow icon or the next icon, and once you do so, you'll be able to get the code. Now to get the code, what you want to do is you want to head back to the browser, and you can see update messages option. You want to simply tap on update messages until you get the SMS here, and once you get the code here, you want to simply go ahead and you want to enter in the code, and you'll be able to open a new account. So this way you can open Telegram account without phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.